You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
I'm out here in the driveway, and I'm going to show you the latest update on the Polly Detmers wood-burning pizza oven. Not a whole lot different, but you obviously see some differences. See that white shelf in there? Little lady made me buy her a new washing machine about a month ago. And when they came and delivered that new one, they said, "Do you want us to take the old one?" I go, "Nope. I have plans for that thing." So you're looking at the lid to that washing machine. Cut that out. Goes all the way back there. Oh, you see foil, huh? Yeah, it's not done yet, but that foil is going to be tucked in behind this shelf just to kind of like insulate it. Also under the shelf, here in Michigan, pop cans are 10 cents return value. We do returnables here in Michigan. So I'm like, heck with that. I'm going to use this aluminum, smash them down and put them underneath the shelf. Kind of like retain a little bit of heat maybe. I don't know. But I'll have something under there and it will be filled. It goes up a little bit, don't it? Next thing you may notice is this is a little different. Can't remember what it is, but I had to refinagle this thing. Looks better than it did. This thermometer, not the greatest quality. It's already getting old looking. I put a thermometer on the side now. Yeah, I did go out and buy that. That other one I already had. Yeah, that it's coming along. The door. I bent this thing on top, that part, so it would be like that. Because when it was straight up, wouldn't get a reading on this thermometer, so I don't like that. But the problem now is those bolts sticking out right here. They bump into this, to the facade here, whatever you want to call it. What I'm going to do is take that little thing off and just bend the bottom half of the door in. And that'll be it. And it'll just, just a little S-shaped kind of door on there. It'll sit on this right here. And the pizza steel will, yes, still sit up on top of there. My goal is get this thing up to about 800 degrees. I know the thermometer does not read 800, but as long as it stays above that, I think it's going to be okay. Plus, I can take readings by using one of these things. 75 degrees, 74. Black paint helps give it some heat. It's not even 60 degrees here. Sun hitting that paint helps a lot. Oh yeah, also warm weather, when that comes around, it'll help the temperature.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Who went crazy with the chimney sealer? But I'm okay. It's okay, and it's going to be good. All right, folks. Until next time, I'm Paul.